This video is your behind the scenes look. I'm showing you what my studio looks like, taking you inside drawers, the mess that I had on my shelves. Wait until you see the transformation. You'll see how I got this hair at the end of the video. Are you ready? Let's do this. Well, hello my curlies. Erica, your curl dresser here, and you almost did not get a video this week. I hurt my back from sitting in my chair and editing. I mean, I was in such agony by Saturday night. I was crying. So I honestly did not think this was going to get made. And all of a sudden I said, I don't like any of the other things that I pulled out. I need to record something. And so here you are. I started to fix my hair and then I said, well, that was stupid because I could have done a video on a refresh. And then, of course, I did my makeup, which I don't know why I even bothered because this was supposed to be impromptu. Yay. And then I said, well, maybe I'll show them what my studio looks like. And that's what you're getting. You are getting a before shot of my list of products, of all of the products that I have. I started to tidy them up a little. It was insane. They were a mess, an absolute mess. I'm going to try to do this without a lot of editing. So yeah, wish me luck on this one. I'm going to turn you around and, oh, maybe I should fix my hair first. Oh, wait, how about we'll do the products first. And then to finish it up, so you stick around, I will DeCrunchify, right there. DeCrunchify. Am I at the right spot? Yes. DeCrunchify. Let's flip you around and you get to see this mess. This is what you see when you walk into my studio. Here you have that back sliding door with all of my beautiful flowers and everything in the summer. But then you have this that you never get to see. You guys sit right there and you face me this way. And this is where all the magic happens. I started to tidy them up a little. It was insane. I've got to fix this. I had 1980s dance music, but YouTube won't let me keep it on. So we're just gonna wing it and hope this works. I recorded this video on December 12th. Well, I finally finished the video. I have piles of products all over to figure out what could go where. I have a lot of Mielle organics. I'm gonna go finish and I'll be back. We're going for a ride. Now this is a hot mess. Look, my curlies. I'm so proud of myself. Will it stay this way? I mean, probably not, but I was sick and tired of looking at it. So much product. So much product. This is the drawer of all. I keep all of my lipsticks and liners in here. It's got brushes, combs, clips. It's got my mics, scissors, and other stuff. I did buy these organizers, and it really helps keep it, well, organized and clean. So hi. Can't see me. And no, I did nothing else with lighting, as you can see. This is it, girls and guys. This is all you got. Of course, I don't even know if I'm in the shot. Yeah, so this is what it looks like behind the scenes. And there's always a lot to clean up. A lot of old stuff needing to be thrown away. Wouldn't it be nice if cleanups could go this fast? To Mom. That looks so much better. And my crystals. Fabulous. I wonder how old this is. It's by Chi. My daughter likes these. I'll leave them for her. This is my daughter's drawer. Yeah, pretty messy. I know. At least my studio is mostly clean now. Now it's time to DeCrunchify. Take out my clips. I am using the phone, sort of, as my mirror. Ow, ow, ow. Try not to pull your hair out. Ow. I think I'm doing more damage. Clips. A curly's best friend. I might as well use up some Mielle, so I'm using the Anti-Frizz Stay Straight Serum. All I need is shine and something to prevent friction. Yeah, it is a little thick, but it'll still do its job. Will it weigh me down? Who knows? I don't feel like that's enough. You know I have trouble with this. This is when I flip, DeCrunchify, and fluff. For all my new curlies, DeCrunchify is just like Scrunch the Crunch, but I think it's more fun. Oh, I should have used the pick. Silly. Is the pick down here? Did I put it away? Well, it's too late, baby, now. It's too late. Are we ready? Oh, shake it, baby. Yeah, I know. I make the same face every time. So what does the back look like? I hope my whirl is covered. I do believe it is. Do I have a flat head? No, I have a rounded head. That means the clips worked. Yay! Now to see if there's frizz. This isn't too bad for a 7th day refresh. You are going to have to let me know. It's always a crapshoot. Would I be afraid to go out with this? Let me know in the comments if you think that I should not go out with this hair or whether it actually worked. Until my next video, maybe before Christmas, we'll have to see. So cheers and ciao for now. Sweetheart. You, hello my curlies. Say hi, Erica. Here I am. Oh, this is so funny. I don't know if I'm even in the shot. DeCrunchify. Oh, that's a toothpick. Don't want to stab myself with that. How do I do this? There you go. The things I have to learn. Okay, so I have to look at the camera.